Today I'm making a delicious creamy fruit dip ready for your fruit platter. It of course starts with cream cheese as well as some vanilla. And then we also need some brown sugar. I'm using light brown sugar this time. You can also use dark, but I typically default to light. The cream cheese should be softened. And the way I like to verify this is I will put it in my bowl alone and then kind of start up my hand mixer and just verify that it will start to break up and become smooth in the bowl before even adding any other ingredients. I live in Wisconsin, and so sometimes this can be a question in the winter. So I like to do this step, like I say, just to verify that it really is soft all the way through and ready to mix evenly with the other ingredients. So then once you have it there, I just add the brown sugar and the vanilla. And yes, there really are only 3 ingredients to this dip. That's all you need to create something sweet and creamy and truly luscious. And then I start with my hand mixer again and just start mixing that in. You can see a little piece flew out here, and that's why I start out on low speed, just to kind of get this mixing in process going and keep it going in a kind of a controlled way. Then I just like to go ahead and turn off that mixer and kind of manually add in the rest of that. Like I say, I'm just hoping to prevent it from flying all over the place. The mixing though is really, I mean, that's it. There's only 3 ingredients here, so the mixing part of this is pretty important, and I do make sure I spend enough time on it because it can visually look like it's all mixed together, but the critical question is whether that brown sugar has completely dissolved into the cream cheese. Of course, I can give this a little taste, and this is a good way to figure out whether that has happened. And really what happens is when you scrape that bit away from the sides of the bowl, you probably do find some more sugar that's just maybe not all the way dissolved. So it's a good idea to go through it again, do another round of mixing, this time at a little bit higher speed. And then once you have that completely mixed, you are ready to take this out of here and transfer it to a serving bowl. I like my little red serving bowl for this dip, for a lot of dips actually. And all I'm doing is transferring it to this bowl so it's ready for some fruit. Now you obviously have a choice of whatever fruits you want to use for dipping. I have tried a lot of different fruits with this, and I've truly never been disappointed. So it's a great way to make a dip for a party when you're having appetizers and you just want a variety of fresh fruit. That way you can have something for everyone, because this works with apple slices, with mango slices, pineapple. I love berries, especially strawberries with this when I can find really good ones. But like I say, just use this for whatever fruit you feel that you and your guests will most enjoy. I hope you give this a try, because if you do, I know you'll love it. Enjoy.